Hi, I'm Travis and welcome to my closet. Today we're doing a coach unboxing. Let's get into it. This is by far my favorite part, is unwrapping the gift. Here we go. This is today's unboxing and review. It's called a large pouch with Deco Bridge geoprint. But, in my opinion, it looks like a bunch of little Smurf hats. I didn't like it at first. I thought, well, it looked like Smurf hats. But I kept looking at it and it grew on me. Little details like the zipper here, the tab on it, it has a contrasting red to it. And it just looked like a fun pouch to carry around maybe my tablet. So we're going to see if the tablet fits in this unboxing, and we're also going to just give it a look over and see what it has. Alright, let's see. Oh, that zipper glides well. For a second there I thought we were getting stuck, hung up right here, but no, it has a good glide. Comes with some paper, we don't need that. Alright, here you can see inside. Let me check my notes real quick. Let's see. This is 11 3/4 inches long, so this way. It is 8.5 high, so 8.5 high. I don't think you're going to get a standard piece of paper in here, but I didn't buy this to put paper in it. I bought it hopefully to put my tablet in. Now it's got up here, it's got some slots for cards. It's got 2 slots right here for cards. A little hard to see. And on this back, oh, caught it. On the back side here, it's got, okay, it's a buttoned pouch that goes, let's see, does that go to the bottom? No, it's about an half inch shy of the bottom, but it's got a second little pouch in there with a pretty strong, sturdy button. Alright, let's take the tablet and test to see if it'll fit. Oh, so close. I have to kind of, oh no, that's not good. Not that way. Can we rotate it once it's in? No. Can we just jam it in there? Kind of rub it on the zipper. So there we go. Hey. All right, that wasn't too bad, and I didn't hear a scratching sound. It did rub on the little zippers. I think this tablet is a little big to easily, sorry, I keep putting it in my lap. Let me stand here. This tablet's a little big to easily slide in and out. I heard some grinding there. That's gonna rub on this finish right here. I think this is the 10.5 inch. So tablets that are smaller than this are going to fit better. But I thought, see, lining it up, it looks like there'd be plenty of room for the tablet. I'm glad I don't have this in a case, because with a case, there's no way it would ever fit in there. But when you go to put it in, that zipper is a lot smaller. Well, I don't know. You'll have to be the judge on that one. So, that is my unboxing and review of the large pouch. You can now find me on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter at Travis. Welcome to my closet, but it's shortened, so it's just Travis WTMC. That's Travis WTMC. Please take a minute to like and subscribe wherever the buttons may be. and maybe drop a comment or two. Let's start a dialogue. Maybe if you have the large pouch already, what you use it for, because at this point, it might just look good on the shelf. That's about all I can think of to do with it, and I would really like to hear from you guys what you're thinking. Alright, I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet. Bye. Alright, welcome home. That's probably where you'll stay forever.